Good morning. Here we are, episode 9. Got guys working on some hail damage. So the big difference between normal door dings and hail damage is hail damage has basically no boundaries. Hail damage hits everywhere. We've got dents all over. We've got them on the body lines, the edges, stuff in the open panels, stuff in the braces, aluminum panels. We've got it all over the fenders, top roof of the vehicle. Now this car was purchased 2 years ago in Colorado. The original estimate, the original hail repair estimate on this was about $3,500. Now, a hail technician, or should I say a more experienced hail technician, should get this car done in about a day to a day and a half. Now starting out right off the bat, this isn't something you're going to complete at the rookie level doing paintless dent repair in a day or a day and a half. Usually about a year and a half or so, after going through maybe a hail season or two, you should get up to par to get to the point where this car should be done within about a day to a day and a half. Okay, you got a couple of little sharp nibs right there. Something like those, that'd be something where you just go through a light little block 2000 or even 3000 dry, lock it out, buff it, we're done. Usually what happens, what creates those little sharp little nibs, those little, sharp like micro high areas, when you apply too much pressure too quick, more of a sporadic quick motion as opposed to more of a steady, nice and even motion, okay? That's what creates them. It doesn't give the metal, paint, clear coat proper time to react all together. Everything needs to come up, come down at the same time, okay? Apply, release, move over, apply, release. I
concentrated on more not letting go so much.
Or actually removing it from the panel?
Yeah, well, at first when I started doing this, I removed it and pushed it.
Yeah.
As I'm going, I'm keeping pressure on it. And now I'm keeping even more pressure on it.
Gotcha.
And then
so you can see we're at it all times?
Yeah.
Yeah, which is good, which is key. Yep, let's go to the next one so we can move our light a little bit further back, get a better view. Go from there. So we've got Salvador here using our new carbon fiber rod, our hail rod, interchangeable tip. Those are nice rods, interchangeable tip. I think strong, man. I was standing on it.
It doesn't flex like all the other rods. They're stiff.
How are you guys liking the aluminum panels? Fun, right? How you doing over here? Okay, we got a very, very soft floor over here. Let's move our light further back so we can get a better view. We can fine tune it. So we just got a very small, soft flow that we need to pick up a little bit more. Look at it from this side. Come on over here. It's almost like a small little crease. Okay. Hey guys, so let's go ahead and stop. Let's grab our sheets that we were working on and come on over and have a seat. We're gonna go over them. You can keep working. Paintless dent repair is a process of removing small door dings, minor dents, and hail damage from a vehicle without sanding, filling, or painting. Okay. Now, any sanding that we may do is considered color sanding or finish sanding. We're not cutting down into the painted surface. We're just basically kind of scuffing up your clear coat and then polishing it out. We're not using any fillers, no body fillers whatsoever, and we're not painting the area. Okay, we're not applying paint. Now there are some dent technicians that that will apply maybe a little bit of touch-up paint if there's a chip or something from the impact point when the dent was made, but that's not considered painting. Okay, so those are the three main areas there that will explain to a customer what we're doing, kind of give them an idea of what we're doing, and it also separates us from conventional body repair, right? Conventional body repair, you're sanding the area down to bare metal. You're putting a body filler on it, you're sanding that down, you're priming the surface, you're sanding that, you're putting paint on top of it, you're putting clear on top of that, right? First thing you're doing though is you're cutting into the factory finish, okay? So you're cutting into the original factory finish now. Now that's not the original paint that's on there. So when you don't have an original surface anymore and you're putting something else new on there, you run into problems like the paint not matching, the color not matching. You're running into sand scratches, you're running into jobs that are rushed, not prepped properly, you're getting pinholes, you're getting fish eyes.